Do you post these on like Instagram or YouTube?
YouTube, bro.
Like
Yeah.
That is fucking cool.
My man.
Savage, man.
Have a good day.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
And just like that, guys, sorted. Nothing's stopping me today. Let's go. And just like that, guys, we are back moving, carry on with the day. Honestly, nothing is stopping the movement today, I swear down. First of all, GoPro tried to do me over by sending me some glued bolts inside their packaging instead of the actual lens mod. What's that all about? Anyway, so I won't be using that in this vlog, which I'm really annoyed about because I really wanted to. Second of all, I woke up this morning and my tyre was completely flat. I got a massive hole in it. But anyway, quickly whipped on the spare tyre, went down to the plug, tyre stopped, you know how it is, sorted me out, and just like that, boom, back on the road. No wait, no delay, service is sweet, and it's a Saturday, you know what I'm saying? Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So as you can see, we made it to Manchester. Bit of a slow start getting off today because things kept testing me, testing the mental resilience that today was actually going to happen. But look, we're out here, we made it. So you have to try harder, whatever's trying to test me, because I made a tough stuff, you know what I'm saying? So while we're out in Manchester, we're going to go and explore and see what's what, because I've got a bit of time to kill before I go to a few meetings later. And yeah, it's not raining, so that can only mean session in Manchester city centre, whatever we can find. So that being said, guys, let's go. No chance. been too long, man. I've not just cruised the city on my BMX for a long time. I've missed it. Like, you don't even need to have a destination, just enjoy the journey, like. And anything you find along the way, just hit it up. Get creative. But yeah, Manchester's sick. Let's go. Sorry, what? You want to see something cool? Carry on. What do you want to see? Tail whip. Yeah? That one's for you, man. My man, nice one, man. Right, I'm gonna do one more for you, bro, and I got a bounce, so I'll see you in a bit, yeah? My man. Huh? Yo, and you, man. That was sick, guys. It's been a long time since I done a city mission. That was sick, guys. It's been a long time since I've done a city mission like that, and Manchester did not disappoint. The whole place is like a playground, and I'm going to be coming back for more because I didn't even scratch the surface in this video. And I met some super sick guys through the city, met some Karens, as you always do, as per, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, Manchester. Always love Manchester, even better when I get to ride through it. So cheers for coming to watch my city mission, guys. It was sick, and hopefully you've hit that subscribe button already, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go. Let me know in the comments below which city I need to go and mob next, because I'm into it, love it. Just manualing down the street. And if you want to join me on a city mission, just hit me up, let's organize one. Absolutely love it, more the better, you know what I'm saying? But for today in this video, it's been a solo mission. That being said, guys, we out. Let's go.